Hi, today I will be introducing you to the Mame, also known as the Mamey Sapote. And this is a big fruit that is grown primarily in the Caribbean, Latin America, and also some cultivars are in South Florida. This tree, the tree of this fruit, grows really tall, anywhere from 50 to 150 feet. And this fruit weighs about 2 pounds. I bought it last week at Whole Foods and it was going for $4.99 per pound, and I think I paid $10.49 for this. The skin is a little rough, but like very smooth sandpaper, and inside is that delicious goodness. Mame is very high in vitamin C, as we would expect for tropical fruits, but also high in the beta carotene, magnesium. And we are going to delve in a little bit into this fruit, and I will post some more information, especially the nutritional benefits of this, in a little while. So let us dive in. We have it whole here. I rinsed it with some water and a little baking soda to remove any trace of any pesticides. So I am cutting it, and it is very soft and ripe. It has a very large seed. Look at this seed here. The seed is about 2.5 inches, and this is the fruit. So a big question is, so what does it taste like? Well, it's a little bit of a sweet potato, pumpkin, honey, with a little dash of almond, hints of cherry. Very complex and very sweet. They use our Mame. We make it into smoothies, milkshake, ice cream, jams, and jellies. And of course, we also eat it raw. Now, you'll see some other videos that tell you how to cut and dice the Mame, but at home, we use a spoon and we scoop and enjoy. Delicious. So make sure you subscribe, like and share this video, and more information on Mame to come.